Want to speak English so naturally that people think you've been fluent all your life? Stick with me, and I'll show you how. Hello and welcome to Anks English. I'm Emma, your guide to mastering English from the very basics to advanced conversations. Whether you're just starting or already know some English, don't worry. This journey is for everyone. All you need to do is listen, repeat the sentences you see on the screen, and practice speaking with me. Today, we'll follow the story of a young woman named Lily as she navigates her daily life using simple English phrases that will help you build confidence and fluency. Let's dive in. Level 1, starting the day with Lily. Imagine Lily waking up to a bright new day. The sun shines through her window, and she stretches with a smile. She says, "Good morning, world. Today feels amazing." She steps out of bed, heads to the bathroom, and looks in the mirror. "Hi, Lily," she says. "You're ready for a great day." She brushes her teeth, washes her face, and feels refreshed. Let's practice these simple sentences together. I wake up, I brush my teeth, I wash my face, I feel ready. Today is a great day. Now Lily walks to the kitchen. Her brother Tom greets her. "Morning, Lily. Did you sleep well?" Lily replies, "Yes, Tom. I slept like a baby. How about you?" Tom grins and says, "I'm good. Want some breakfast?" Lily nods and says, "Sure. Let's eat." They sit down and Lily enjoys toast with jam and a cup of tea. Practice these sentences. Good morning. Did you sleep well? I slept like a baby. Let's eat breakfast. The tea is delicious. These short sentences are perfect for beginners. They're simple, practical, and help you feel confident speaking English. Level 2, meeting a friend. After breakfast, Lily heads outside and bumps into her friend Mia. Mia waves and says, "Hey Lily, how's it going?" Lily smiles and responds, "I'm great. Mia, it's nice to see you." Mia suggests, "Want to take a walk in the park?" Lily agrees, "Sounds perfect. Let's go." Practice these greetings. "Hey, I'm great. It's nice to see you. Let's take a walk." In the park, Mia asks, "What do you like to do here, Lily?" Lily says, "I love walking and chatting with friends." Mia replies, "I enjoy jogging and reading by the lake." Lily says, "That sounds relaxing. Maybe we can read together one day." Practice these. What do you like to do? I love walking. I enjoy chatting with friends. That sounds relaxing. Maybe we can do it together. These sentences are a bit longer, but still easy to say. They're great for casual conversations with friends. Level 3, talking about the day. After their walk, Lily says goodbye to Mia and heads home. Her mom asks, "Lily, where were you today?" Lily replies, "I went to the park with Mia. We walked and talked a lot." Her mom says, "That sounds fun. Did you enjoy it?" Lily smiles, "Yes, it was awesome. Practice these. Where were you today? I went to the park. We walked and talked. It was awesome." Now, Lily wants to improve her English. She grabs her notebook and reads a story about a boy named Sam. Sam is a student who loves school. He studies science and history every day. His teacher is patient and always answers his questions. Practice these sentences. I am a student. I love school. I study science. My teacher is patient. My teacher helps me. Let's make it a bit more advanced. Sam says, "I enjoy science because it's exciting to learn about the world. History is fun because I love stories from the past." Practice these. I enjoy science because it's exciting. I love history because of the stories. Level 4, conversations at school. In the story, Sam meets his friend Clara at school. Clara says, "Hi, Sam. Did you do your homework?" Sam replies, "Yes, I finished it last night." Clara says, "Nice job. Want to study for the quiz together?" Sam nods. "Great idea. Let's do it." Practice these. Did you do your homework? I finished it last night. Want to study together? Great idea. While studying, Sam says this lesson is really interesting. Clara agrees. Yeah, I love it too. Sam asks, can you explain this part to me? Clara says, sure, I'll help you. Practice these. This lesson is interesting. I love it too. Can you explain this part? Sure, I'll help. Back to Lily. After reading Sam's story, she decides to write about her day. She writes, today, I woke up early and ate breakfast with my brother. I met Mia at the park and we had a great time. Later, I studied English at home. Practice these. I woke up early. I ate breakfast with my brother. I met my friend at the park. I studied English at home. Level 5. Shopping and eating out. One day, Lily goes shopping with her dad. He says, Lily, we need to buy some fruit and bread. Lily replies, okay, Dad, let's head to the store. At the store, Lily says, look, there are apples, oranges, and bread. Her dad says, let's get some apples and a loaf of bread. Lily asks, how much are they? The shopkeeper says, apples are $4 per kilo and bread is $2. Lily's dad says, we'll take 1 kilo of apples and 1 loaf. Practice these. We need to buy fruit. Let's head to the store. How much are they? We'll take 1 kilo. Thank you. After shopping, they stop at a cozy cafe. Lily says, I'd like a hot chocolate, please. Her dad says, I'll have a coffee. The waiter asks, anything to eat? Lily says, yes, a muffin, please. The waiter nods, coming right up. Practice these. I'd like a hot chocolate. I'll have a coffee. Anything to eat? A muffin, please. Coming right up. At the cafe, Lily says, Dad, today was so much fun. Her dad replies, I agree, Lily. I love spending time with you. Lily smiles. Me too, thanks, Dad. Practice these. Today was so much fun. I love spending time with you. Me too, thanks. Level 6, Writing and Helping Others. Lily decides to write a letter to Mia. She sits down and writes, Dear Mia, I hope you're doing great. Today I went shopping with my dad and we had a blast. We bought apples and ate at a cafe. It was a fun day. Let's hang out soon. Your friend Lily. Practice these. I hope you're doing great. I went shopping today. We had a blast. Let's hang out soon. One day, a tourist stops Lily on the street and says, Excuse me, can you help me find the museum? Lily replies, Of course, go straight. Then turn right at the traffic light. The museum is across from the park. The tourist says, Thanks a lot. Lily smiles. You're welcome. Practice these. Can you help me find the museum? Go straight, then turn right. Thanks a lot. You're welcome. Lily visits her aunt one weekend. Her aunt says, Lily, it's so nice to see you. Lily replies, I'm thrilled to be here, Aunt Jane. Her aunt asks, How was the trip? Lily says it was smooth and relaxing. They sit down for tea and her aunt says, Tell me about your life lately. Lily says, I've been studying English and working part-time at a bookstore. Practice these. It's so nice to see you. I'm thrilled to be here. How was the trip? It was relaxing. Tell me about your life. Level 7. Advanced Conversations. Lily gets sick one day and visits a doctor. The doctor says, Hello, Lily. What's wrong? Lily replies, I've had a cough and a fever for 2 days. The doctor asks, Any other symptoms? Lily says, My throat hurts a bit. The doctor says, I'll prescribe some medicine. Take it twice daily and rest. Lily says, Thank you, doctor. Practice these. What's wrong? I've had a cough for 2 days. Any other symptoms? My throat hurts. Take this medicine twice daily. When Lily recovers, she returns to school. Her teacher says, Welcome back, Lily. Feeling better? Lily replies, Much better, thank you. I missed class. The teacher says, We missed you too. Ready to catch up? Lily nods, Absolutely. Practice these. Welcome back. Feeling better? Much better, thank you. I missed class. Ready to catch up? Lily joins a book club to practice English. At the first meeting, she says, "Hi, I'm Lily. I want to improve my English and talk about books." Another member, Alex, says, "I'm here to practice for my job." The leader says, "Let's share our favorite books." Lily says, "I love adventure novels because they're exciting." Practice these. "I want to improve my English. I'm here to practice for my job. Let's share our favorite books. I love adventure novels." Lily's journey continues. One day, Lily goes to a job interview at a travel agency. The interviewer says, "Tell me about yourself, Lily." She replies, "I'm a recent graduate passionate about travel and meeting new people." The interviewer asks, "Why do you want this job?" Lily says, "Your company inspires adventure, and I want to help others explore the world." Practice these. Tell me about yourself. I'm passionate about travel. Why do you want this job? I want to help others explore. A week later, Lily gets a call. "Hi, Lily. You got the job," the manager says. Lily replies, "That's amazing. Thank you so much." Practice these. You got the job. That's amazing. Thank you so much. Lily's confidence grows as she works, travels, and joins English clubs. She thinks, "Learning English has changed my life. It's a key to new friendships and opportunities." Practice these. Learning English has changed my life. It's a key to new opportunities. Lily's story shows that English is a journey. Start small. Practice daily and don't fear mistakes. They're proof you're growing. Watch English movies, listen to songs, and talk with friends. Every word you learn brings you closer to fluency. Thank you for joining me on Anks English. If you enjoyed this, replay the video, practice the sentences, and share it with a friend. Subscribe for more fun and practical English lessons, and let's keep learning together. I'm Emma, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay confident, keep practicing, and take care. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's make your English journey unstoppable. See you next time.